Good morning from winter paradise, still in Trentino of course. And can we just take a moment for the weather and check out the mountains? Like, they light up like a beauty all the way around. I'm seeing them up there. We got the Dolomites. We are going somewhere epic.
We are here at Le Fay Resort and Spa.
If you're gonna do the winter travel in style, oh my gosh, literally people are coming from the slopes. They're now gonna hit the spa, which we will show you. Soak it up, babe, those muscles.
Amazing.
Can't wait.
Let's do it.
Oh my god, you guys, this is one of the spa areas. Can we have a moment to appreciate? So zen. So here is the main pool, and this is the pool where you swim out, and when it snows, you're right outside in a hot pool with the snow. Amazing. It looks gorgeous. You literally look over all the mountains. There's so many beds to relax. There's fires everywhere you look. Outside we've got bubble areas. Delish. We are changing hotels and we're in Chalet Al Foss. Let me tell you, it is right up my street. Let me point out a couple of things I'm loving. First of all, we have an outdoor pool. This is what you're looking out to when you're sitting in the pool. Let's get a little bit closer. Follow. Complimentary glue wine. Got here this couple just chilling by the fire, getting warm, getting cozy.
Hello.
Oh, thank you very much. Good timing. That wasn't planned. That literally was natural.
For you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Grazie. Cheers, babe.
I love Chalet Al Foss. Yes, we do. Honestly, you can't do this. It's X-rated. You literally see through, so
That is so
careful
cool.
with the booty there. Oh my god, this is literally the dream. Your pool, your view, the sun is set, twinkle lights are on, fires are lit.
So you can get out of the pool, step about 5 meters, and go into this amazing sauna.
And here we've got the hot tubs. How cool is that?
Just being nosy really, but check this out. It's a farmer sauna, no joke.
Oh my god, it's hay on the floor.
Yeah, the smell. Oh my, I love this place, literally. I feel like check-in, robes, inside here, yeah?
Let's do it.
Good morning. Whoa, last night was epic. We went into the sauna. We didn't obviously take the camera in because some people were naked, so that wouldn't have been that good. Today we are off to the Piste. We're going 3,000.
Hang on, not just the Piste.
Yeah, we're going to 3,000 meters high.
Oh, is that how high it is?
Yeah. By the way, lovely big bedroom. We've got a bathroom. Been putting up video up on YouTube.
Check this out.
Whoa, 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 whoa. How amazing is this? Look at that view. Absolutely epic.
Magic clap to the Piste.
Okay guys, so with this kind of hotel there where we're staying, they actually have these
Igloo
3-room
suites.
like igloo suites. How cool are they?
They look so romantic. Oh my gosh.
And the Piste is right there, the mountains are right behind. Wow, 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 wow.
Can I say one thing?
Say one thing.
We're decked out in our one pieces and we're going to a
Ice igloo that's been turned into a music festival. So I'm not quite sure what kind of music it is, but we're gonna go and see it. We did actually see it from the lift when we came up. Proper excited to see what it's like.
Okay, can you see behind us? We got there, epic bit of ice, and basically what they've done is build an igloo theatre in the mountain. By the way, for reference, you see that building in the back? That's home sweet home, baby. Mwah.
Let's do this! Woo! Okay, so it turned out to be more of a concert, not a music festival.
No, not a festival, but it was amazing. Theodora find a fact, the instruments were made out of ice, complete
so cool.
ice. Can you imagine the cello, the
I don't know what that's called.
the guitar? It's insane. Inside an igloo, babe. Take that off your bucket list.
Yeah, like once in a lifetime opportunity. Okay, guys, we are climbing to the ridge.
This morning we were skiing over there, but I just wanted to take a minute and look at the light. Like, what the heck? Look at this view. This is why you want to come on winter travel. You got 6 sunsets.
Oh my God! I'm not gonna pretend I didn't hurt. And that's the kind of stuff we do on winter sport, guys. We just go crazy and belly flop down the mountain. Okay, guys, the snowmobile is back. Are we ready, driver?
Yeah. Ready, perfect.
Oh yeah, baby.
Ready! Woo!
Yeah! How cool is this, babe?
So cool. I love it.
It's
What a
cold.
lift home, mate.
What a lift home. It's cold, but it's pretty cool.
What a way to get a taxi home, hey?
So guys, we are 3,000 meters high. Tomorrow morning we're going to be going down the glacier on the snowboards. Cannot wait.
Yeah, how cool.
But it's so cool here.
Welcome to a humble abode.
Well, get up there. If there's a fire, this is a good way out. Oh, how cool is this? What's a little balcony? Well, just see the mountains around the corner, but if you go any further, you're probably going to slip. Let's finish the room tour off because it's not that big, so it won't take that long. Anyhow.
Yes. Bathroom, follow me. This is our bathroom. I really like it. I think it's really spacious.
It's huge.
You know.
Epic.
Wow, super warm. Let me shut the door also. Okay. Oh my God. Look at these little sauna pods, babe. So these are 2-person saunas. Lounge area. Here we got a huge sauna and it's finished with a massive glass so you can go and look out to the mountains. Epic. Here we have the Trentino crew. That is the spa. It's amazing.
Good morning, guys. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. We just woke up, totally ready for the day. I've just jumped outside the window. I've went to put the GoPro up so I can catch sunrise. Hopefully I'll get a good shot. Morning, babe.
Morning.
Looking very pink today.
I've got my other thermal set on from Frozen, babes. Like, does it make you smile? Straight away. So I'm gonna be nice and cozy. What's happening today, babe?
Well, first of all, we need to try out the breakfast here. By the looks of it, it's cake, croissants, more cake, Gotta love Italian breakfast.
Wow, it's amazing. You can see up here, the sun is just popping up, top of the mountains. This is another reason why you need to come on winter sport. When are you going to get a chance to see views like this? We're in the Dolomites, we're in Trentino. It's amazing. Pretty chilly. Got some Instagrammers taking some epic landscape photos.
Tip for the day, people.
Tip for the day? Oh yeah.
What does it say? Don't eat the yellow snow. Remember that, babe.
Don't eat it. Guys, we are looking at the diamonds. Tell us, what is this?
Yeah, this is our diamonds because it's the biggest Scandinavian type glacier of the Italian Alps. This is Adamello Glacier. Is our diamond for who likes to go off-piste and do something really wild and have a really big run down from over 3,000 meters to 1,000 meters all the way out. no chairlift, no helicopter. Is a free ride diamond here in Passo del Tonale.
Epic.
Time for lunch. We just sat down for a startup. Earlier I had a little presentation on plastic free, because obviously here we're in a national park, a natural national park, and they want to reduce the use of plastic. So no straws, plastic cups, plastic bottles. Our ski passes are not made of plastic, and they're working towards having electric snowcats, electric ski lifts, just to really be at the forefront of the plastic free, which is good. So sometimes eating no meat really pays off. We literally got a slab of cheese on polenta. Not good for the diet, but very nice. Oh my god, guys. I don't know if you can see here, we got the panorama viewpoint, but this piece is sick. It goes all the way from the top, all the way down through these two mountains. We're gonna make our way there. We've got to board this down. So that gondola we just went up holds 8,000 kilograms, technically about 100 people. And now we're on the 3,000 meter level with either side viewpoints. All good and well being here, but we have to board down this.
So guys, just took my helmet off and we've just done this sort of snake pattern course all the way along, and you come through the tunnel and then do a little jump. Theodora and Life of Jordan are just about to come through, so we're going to film them. I think Life of Jordan's coming now. Can you see him? Oh, lovely! Woo! Okay, I don't know if you can see, but Dora's just about to start. There she goes. Yeah, go on. Woohoo!